Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 11 Pro and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got the options which are currently inactive. We cannot customize them. It is because we are using the automatic option to set time and the time zone. So first of all, let's tap on both of those switchers. And right now we can freely tap on date. Just by swiping, you can change it. The same situation with the time. Just swipe and you will be able to change the time. It will be immediately applied to the status bar. And the time zone, we can tap on it and we will be transferred to the full list of available time zones from which we can choose. So just find yours and tap on it and it will be immediately applied. Of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here at the top you've got the time format. I forgot about this option. However, you can simply tap on it and decide which one, so the 24-hour or 12-hour format you want to use. Just tap on the option like to set. And here we've got the dual clock. It's up to you if you want to use this option. Basically, your device will display two different clocks. The first one with the time from the place you're currently in, and the second one from the place of your choice. Just tap on the switcher and you will be able to set the usual residence, etc. I don't want to do it right now. So this is the manual customization of the date and time, and of course you can go back to the automatic options just by tapping on those switchers here. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.